going to show you how to make a Daisy Dresden blade without having a large Dresden ruler or a cardboard template. So as long as you have a small Dresden ruler, you can do this. So I have cut my fabric 20 inches wide. This would be great if you have a fat quarter piece or scraps, whatever you want to do. And it doesn't have to be 20 inches wide. It can be however long you want it. And remember, when you put two of these together to form the flower, it's about how wide it is going to, the final product's going to be. So I have my fabric lined up on my board here and up here. I have it going straight, lined up with the lines on my mat. And I am just taking my ruler and I am putting it at the bottom here. I'm just lining up this bottom edge. It's not very wide, but I'm still just using this as a guide. Now you can just use weights to hold it down so it doesn't slide. Or you can use painter's tape to help hold it down. Because the main thing is we just don't want this sliding. If it does, just line it back up again. I'll just do this as an example here. And so I'm just taping this down because I don't want this to move. I am then just going to take a long ruler and I am lining it up on this side. Move that aside. Now before I lift my long ruler, I am putting this back in place for when I do the other side. Okay. That piece out of the way. And now we'll do the same thing on the other side. Got my tape in the way here a little bit. Okay. Hold that down. Move my smaller template out of the way. There you go. 20 to make the Daisy Dresden. You can alternate colors, do it in Christmas fabric, make a quilt out of it, a tablecloth. Someone mentioned a skirt, which I think would be amazing. I'd love to see that. Others said a tree skirt for your Christmas tree. I think that would be beautiful. Have fun with it, folks.